Next one is a comment on the product update 2025. Big changes to GREE ductless and flex products from a user called not Ian85CA. I'm going to think this person's probably Ian. I have a 2022 GREE FLEXX air handler. I remember there was a comfort upgrade coming where the variable speed motor from the air handler could be utilized as variable speed based on sensor inputs. What's the status of this? We just covered that, but if you want to, you can get a quick summary of that, Justin.
Yeah, so I know for a couple of years we had talked about at high levels potentially making the Flex a fully variable speed product. They talked to the factory, there some back and forth. So how it played out is, like we just did the product video from Daniel on the R32 FLEXX, we added an RS-485 connection. So now we can fully control that and have fully variable speed with the GREE controller. Now what that means is the older Flex models, the 24-volt control only R410A model, there will not be any kind of upgrade or anything like that to allow those to be fully variable speed. Because again, there's really no way we can really do it because it does not have a communication port. It doesn't have that RS-485. It's only 24 volt. So there's really no way we could go back and retrofit those to be variable speed. So unfortunately on the older 410A models, we just can't do that.
Thanks for getting involved. If you need more answers, catch us live every month when we tackle your questions in real time. Head over to greecomfort.com/gree-training where you can register for the next Talking Comfort Live. See you there.